Welcome back, guys. So finally, my Merida 120 7.600 2016. Full suspension, mountain bike, all mountain, small size frame. I will be putting down at the description the parts and setup I have done, which I have upgraded, and I will also put the link where the official specification of the bike when I bought it. Because this is a built bike, then I slowly changed the parts and upgraded it. Okay, so again, we will start with the fork or front tires going rear. Okay, so here we have the tires, Maxxis Highroller 2 27.5 by 2.3 3C Max Terra EXO protection and tubeless ready. My rims is a All Terra 25mm wide rims. So for the fork, we have the Shox Sektor 140mm of travel with 32 diameter stanchion and a true axle lock. It is a air type fork. This Shox Sektor comes with a remote lock. So here at the cockpit, we have the Merida Pro handlebar 720mm wide bar. Also, we have the brake lever, which is a Shimano Z brake lever. With my this one is the dropper seat post lever, remote lock for the fork, and a left shifter for the front derailleur. And here on the right side, we have also Shimano Z brake lever and a shifter lever, Deore-i also 10 speed. And we also have, I also have the red monkey grips, which is already beaten with those semplangs, crashes and everything, and putting those bikes. The grips are very comfortable and does not slip and does not slip even if it's raining. I have a Control Tech stem, which I don't know how long, and a headset. My headset is a FSA headset. These are all stock, came with the bike. So here we have my saddle, Prologo. Don't know which model anymore. It's already faded out, the model. Here I also have my dropper seat post, KS ETEN internal cable routing. This is a 125 mm travel dropper seat post. So now we go to the rear suspension. So this is a Shox Monarch 120 mm travel, air of course, with lock out and damping control, same as in the front, air. The suspension design is a full floater design, but it's not really the same as the Trek full floater. I will do a video of what is the difference between the Merida full floater and Trek full floater design. So my front derailleur is a Sram X7 2x 36 by 22 teeth. It's a 170 mm crank arm, and my pedals are Shimano XT. It's a cleats pedal. So here at the rear tires, I have the same setup as the front. Highroller Maxxis Highroller 2, 27.5 by 2.3, 3C Maxxis EXO protection and tubeless ready. My apologies for the dirty tires, as I haven't had time to clean it. Now we go to the rear cogs. This is a Sunrace. It's a 11 tooth to 42 tooth. This was originally 11 or 10 to 36 only, which I have changed. This is only a 10 speed. I have the SLX rear derailleur with, of course, the clutch again for the chain slap. My chain is a KMC chain with rust. So here in front we have the Shimano Z quad piston caliper with metal brake pads and fins, and my rotor in front is a 180 mm Shimano rotors. The same at the rear, I have the Shimano Z quad piston with metal pads and fins, and also a 180 mm rotor. So there, this is my Merida One-Twenty 7.600 2016 model. So I bought this around October 2015 and changed a lot with the dropper. This does not come with the dropper seat post. Then changed the saddle for more comfortable ride. Then my ride started to go aggressive, so I started to change the tires also and the brakes. So this used to be Maxxis Ardent. It's a all-mountain tires, 2.25. It came with a 2.25. Then I changed it now in a Maxxis Highroller 2.3. Then the brakes used to be just an ordinary dual piston Deore-i single finger or double finger brake lever brakes, but now I changed to quad pistons because I've been trying to do the enduro slash DH track in San Mateo, which is Patiis. Although this is only 120 travel at the rear, it's okay, but it's not really for enduro. So this started to be 130 mm only when I started doing the Patiis enduro line. Then recently, about a month ago, I told life cycle when servicing to put some volume spacers and adjust it to 140. But since then, it's been raining so bad, I haven't had a chance to use this again. So this bike, I'm very happy. Been doing drops, jumps on this bike. No damage, no cracks, but a lot of scratches. So that's it for this quick bike check. I'll be doing my son's Giant XTC Junior for my next video. So I'll see you on my next video. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'll see you.